Good morning, Algebra students. It's your teacher, Mr. Belke, back again with another exciting lesson. Today we're going to be dividing rational expressions. This is lesson 11-4, found on page 595. And basically, it's what we did yesterday, only dividing is the same as, you got it, multiplying by the reciprocal. So let's get into it. If I have 5x squared over 7 divided by 10x to the third over 21. Remember, dividing is the same as taking 5x squared over 7, and instead of dividing by this, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, which would be 21 over 10x to the third. Okay, and we can simplify. 7 goes in here once, 7 goes in here 3 times, 5 goes in here once, 5 goes in here 2 times. These two x's will cancel out 2 of these, leaving me with 1x here, and that looks to be everything. So 1 times 3 is 3, and then on the bottom I have 1 times 2 times that x, so I have 2x. So simplified, we have 3 over 2x. Now, what if I have something a little more complex, like n plus 1 over n plus 3 divided by 2n plus 2 over n plus 4. Again, dividing is the same as taking n plus 1 over n plus 3 and multiplying it by the reciprocal, which would be n plus 4 over 2n plus 2. Now, as you look at that, you might say, well, Mr. Belke, there's nothing I can cancel out there. Well, let's see. Can we pull something out of here? If we pull a 2 out of here, then I'm left with n plus 1. Okay? And now n plus 1 and n plus 1 can cancel out, leaving me with 2 times n plus 3 on the bottom, and n plus 4 on top. Then I can leave it just like that, or I could multiply this out, and I could have n plus 4 on top and 2n plus 6 on the bottom. Either way is fine. Okay? Let's take a look at one more that's a little more complex. So, if we have m squared plus 3m plus 2 over 4, and I'm going to divide that by m plus 2 over m plus 1. Again, dividing is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'd have m squared plus 3m plus 2 over 4 times m plus 1 over m plus 2. Okay? Now, factor this out. I want two numbers multiplied together give me 2, added give me 3. Multiplied give me 2, and added give me 3 would be 1 and 2. So I got m plus 2 and m plus 1. Okay? Now, is there anything that I can reduce? Yep, m plus 2 would cancel with the m plus 2. And then I have m plus 1 and m plus 1. m plus 1 times m plus 1 is m plus 1 squared over 4. And that's as simple as I have to get it. That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to call, text, or email, or you can join me live online tomorrow between 9 and 10 o'clock. As always, if this video was helpful, give her a like, and you can also hit the subscribe button for more fantastic content coming out every day. Have a fantastic day. We'll see you guys tomorrow.